1. The cold front that has been controlling the weather across South Africa over the past 48 or so hours is now pulling away from our shores, but leaving behind an area of high pressure which is going to be pushing in cold and moist air into southeastern South Africa, where nippy temperatures are forecast across much of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal. We are also expecting rainy weather along the east coast and extending into much of Mpumalanga. Further into the northeast, thunder showers are forecast across Gauteng, the eastern parts of the Free State and the northwest, as well as over western Limpopo. It's going to stay fine and dry for the rest of South Africa. Up to a 40% chance of precipitation is forecast this Thursday along the east coast and over the northeastern sections. Here's a look at top temperatures for your Thursday afternoon. We are going to stay with cool afternoon temperatures across the southern and eastern parts of the country. Just 17 for the highs in Graafrenet, Bishop, as well as Pietermaritzburg, 19 for Durban and East London, the same for Port Elizabeth, and a high of 23 is forecast for the mother city. Similar temperatures in Uppington and Kimberley, 22 in Mahikeng. Temperatures are going to be much cooler this Thursday across Gauteng. Joburg will peak at just 17, 20 in Pretoria, and a high of 19 is forecast for Polokwane. Let's check on what the coastal areas have in store for your Thursday. We are expecting favorable beach conditions along the west coast, where moderate to fresh winds are expected throughout the day. The beach conditions are not going to be that favorable around the Force Bay area and the Atlantic side of the Cape Peninsula, where winds could reach up to 45 kilometers per hour, especially around Force Bay. Fresh winds are forecast for Cape Agulhas and the Hermanus area. We are expecting favorable beach conditions along the south coast, where moderate onshore winds are expected, and for the boaters, we are expecting swell heights to average around 3.5 meters off the south coast. Lastly, a look along the east coast. Although the winds are going to be lighter here compared to what we've been seeing lately, the wet weather is going to keep beach conditions less favorable.